Haley, and for this week's Axiom Presents video, we'll be speaking with Mike Gould, who's one of our service and installation team members. He'll be talking to us about our maintenance and service capabilities. Mike, talk to us a little bit more about SI. Besides installations, what can you and your team members provide to our customers?
Sure, we have factory certified technicians that primarily work on automated storage and retrieval systems as well as conveyor systems. We offer service contracts to our customers. With those service contracts, you get preventative maintenance included. We also offer emergency service for breakdowns. You can also get 24/7 emergency service. Besides that, we also can do system relocations either within the same facility, or if you're moving to another facility, we can disassemble the system, move it for you, and reassemble it. Outside of that, we also have the capability to do repair on pallet rack. A lot of times people will damage the pallet rack, which changes the load capabilities of the racking. We have kits that we can install that we can actually repair damaged legs while the pallet rack is still standing, so we don't need to take it down. We can do rack inspections where we'll actually go through the facility and find all the damaged spots that are in need of repair for you. We can also move racks either within the same facility, or if you're moving to another facility, we can disassemble it and move it. With the rack moves, sometimes we can also move the rack without completely disassembling it, so you don't lose the floor space and interrupt production.
Thank you, Mike. Whether you're dealing with damaged product or in need of certified technician support, we've got you covered.